Hi guys, and welcome back to Callie J's Kitchen. In today's video, I'll take you guys back in the kitchen with me and we are going to make this amazing ackee and saltfish seasoned rice. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel, turn on your post notification bell so you can always be notified whenever I upload a new video. Tell your friends, tell your family members about Callie J's Kitchen and have them subscribe. So I put on my pot on the stove, had some vegetable oil, allow it to hot, and then I'm gonna go in and add some chopped vegetables. Now I'm gonna add some tomatoes, some scotch bonnet pepper, some scallions, some thyme. I will also add some bell peppers, and of course I'm gonna add some garlic. Combine that well, and please be sure to turn your stove on low to medium heat. I went ahead already and boiled my saltfish at least 3 times just to remove the excess salt, and I also deboned my saltfish. And yes, there's a video on my channel how to debone your saltfish. You can always go ahead and check that out. I also went ahead and cooked my ackee nicely, and I also drain it. So once I add my saltfish, my deboned saltfish that is, I will go in and add some black pepper, because if you're gonna cook ackee and saltfish, yes, you need some black pepper. Once I add the black pepper, I will also add some seasoned salt, and you can get this seasoned salt at any local supermarket. And I will also leave a little picture of the seasoned salt so you guys can see it. Combine that well, and no need to add salt because the seasoned salt already contains a lot of salt, and of course the saltfish still has just a little bit of salt, so we don't want to add any more salt, because we don't want to over salt our food. And now I'm gonna go in and add the ackee. Some persons tend to add the ackee after the rice has cooked, but for me, I like to cook both the rice and the ackee together. And again, you want to combine everything well. You can add some water at this stage, or you can just add some coconut milk, or you can just wait until you add the rice. Now I'm going to use white rice. If you have brown rice at home, you can always go ahead and add the brown rice. So once I add the rice, I will combine everything well again. And please be sure to take your time because you don't want to break your ackee apart. I will go in and add the water. Again, I'm going to combine everything well. Once I add the water, then I'm going to cover it. Just allow it to cook on low to medium heat. And then once most of the water is boiled out, I will go ahead and just turn it down on the lowest heat possible and just allow it to cook nicely. And yes, I will come back and show you guys what it looks like. Remember, you can have this by itself. You don't need anything with it, all right? And this is the final product of my amazing ackee and saltfish seasoned rice. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's recipe. I hope you guys go ahead and give this one a try and let me know what you think. Remember to subscribe to my channel and remember to turn on your post notification bell. Bye guys.